افغانانو مننه ستاسو ملاتړۍ لپاره او جاوید هر قدم د تاسو نمایندګي کوو ټول نړۍ ته معلومه ده چې موږ څومره خلک یو تاریخ کې موږ تر اوسه نه ده بایللی په جنګ کې دا حقیقت ده او انشاءالله خدای وکړي او جاوید دواړه به قهرمانان کړو انشاءالله.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, after 3 rounds, we go to the scorecards. All 3 judges see it. 30-27 for your winner by unanimous decision. He is still undefeated, ferocious. Here is Basharat!
I'm here with the winner, Farid Basharat. Farid, congratulations. That was a stunning performance. And talk about sticking with the game plan. Tried to take it down. He defended many times, but eventually he managed to do so and to keep him down.
Yeah, I'm not sure if people understand how good Taylor Lapilus is. I knew for a fact how good he was. That's why I was training my butt off, and he showed it today, man. He's good, very good. Thank you to Taylor. You leveled me up today.
Yeah, no, it was certainly a high output. Tell me about the training camp, because to continue that kind of pace throughout 15 minutes, that really is impressive.
Yeah, my training camp, insane. I have an insane work ethic. I've got an insane team. I want to thank everybody, all of them. Louis, Jake, Javid. I want to thank everybody. Sorry, just a quick message. Palestine, keep fighting. We've not forgotten about you. We love you. Stay strong. And one more thing to all my Afghans. افغانانو مننه ستاسو ملاتړۍ لپاره او جاوید هر قدم د تاسو نمایندګي کوو ټول نړۍ ته معلومه ده چې موږ څومره خلک یو تاریخ کې موږ تر اوسه نه ده بایللی په جنګ کې دا حقیقت ده او انشاءالله خدای وکړي او جاوید دواړه به قهرمانان شو انشاءالله.
With that win, you are now 3-0 in the UFC, still undefeated. Is there anybody that you've got in mind for your next fight? Any name you want to give us?
Anybody can get it. Anybody can get it. It's the Basharat show. Like my brother says, you come fight us now or you can fight down the line where we're going to be 100 times better. So, up to you guys. Go poison.
Well, we look forward to it. A great display of mixed martial arts. Ladies and gentlemen, show your appreciation. Farid Basharat!
Ade, manana.